All right, so the Tribesigns table came in for the barn dominium. This is the little console table, and we're gonna go ahead and put it together. So here's all the pieces that you're gonna get. Obviously, these are well labeled. You can tell which ones go with what. The instructions are pretty basic. It's gonna show how everything goes. Now, just a heads up, usually when I'm putting together furniture, I go ahead and get out my drill because I think, oh, I can use my drill a lot faster than a screwdriver. I did that again here. And let me tell you, there's a reason they have a whole page on why you do not use a drill. These little things right here, it'll pop right off and you won't be able to use them. So don't use a drill. Don't even bother with it. Go ahead and pull out that Phillips head screwdriver, and believe me, it's not that bad. There's a ton of them, but it's really not that bad. But this is exactly how you want them to go in. You want them to go in super straight. They're going to be leaving gaps like this once you're fully in, okay? And that's going to allow it to lock into place in a couple more steps. This is basically step one. I'm showing you these are all the pieces that you need. I always set all my pieces out and I just grab them and put them in my little area that I'm working in as I do the steps. That way it's just more organized. These steps they have really good descriptions in them, so it's really easy to tell with the pictures what tools, how the pieces go together, and always look at the pictures where the holes are at on the board that you're connecting it to the other board. That is just a pro tip on someone who has put together a ton of furniture. As you can tell here, this was a really quick setup. The box came really well packed, so I was really impressed with that. Now, I will say this is just for reference, this is in the black. This has a lot more sheen to it than naturally photographed on the Amazon website, but I still love it. It still has that rustic look to it, which is exactly what we're looking for in this barn dominium. We're actually going to be using this room as a dining room, so we needed a thin console table to go in front of that barn door right there, and that way it doesn't block the whole doorway. So this was absolutely perfect. As you can tell, we're moving right along. It's super basic and you can understand everything. Now, what also you may not know is that the back of this is kind of open. So it is not a completely enclosed console table, just FYI. This does not bother me because I'm going to go ahead and decorate it and push it up against the wall. If you have any stickers left over, go ahead and peel those off. But here's the end result. This took me about 45 minutes to put together, and I love it. It's perfect. It goes right in front of that sliding barn door, but yet it doesn't block the doorway, so it's great. It's a thin, nice, rustic farmhouse console table.